Welcome to our quick guide on finding messages from links in Telegram groups using the latest desktop update. Have you ever scrolled endlessly trying to locate where a specific link was posted in a busy group chat? Telegram's new feature streamlines this process, saving you time and frustration. Let's jump into the simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Navigate to the group where the link was shared, whether it's a work collaboration space, a hobby community, or a friend hangout. Once you've selected the group, look at the top of the chat window. Click on the group's name to open its profile details. This is your gateway to shared media, files, and more. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Shared Links. Select it to reveal every URL ever posted in that group. Telegram organizes these chronologically, so you can scroll or use the search bar to filter results. Whether the link was shared yesterday or months ago, it's here. Found the link you need? Here's the magic step. Right-click on it. A menu will pop up with options like Copy Link or Go to Message. Choose Go to Message and Telegram instantly takes you to the exact spot in the chat where the link was posted. You'll see the original message alongside any context, like comments or reactions from group members. This feature is perfect for revisiting resources, tracking down sources, or simply reliving memorable moments. No more guessing when the event invite was sent or where that article recommendation got buried. With Telegram's intuitive design, managing group content has never been easier. So next time someone shares a crucial link in a bustling chat, remember, a few clicks are all it takes to find it again. Stay organized, stay efficient, and make the most of your Telegram groups. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.